New to our used bike inventory, we have a Tri-Glide Ultra Classic from 2021 in a snake Venom green. Absolutely beautiful colors and additions. We have the Willie G collection in both the grip, the mirrors, the gas cover, the floorboards. Absolutely beautiful additions to this bike. The shifter pedals down below, and a heel shift has been added as well. Comes with a lot of great features: the cruise control, the thumbstick for the infotainment system, turn signal, high beams, of course, horns, and traction control on the same button. Traction control for up, you can turn it on or off, and of course voice to the microphone is activated as well. Got a bunch of dials on the dashboard here above the infotainment system. You have the fuel, miles per gallon, RPMs, and voltage readings. You also have a USB port, and here I keep the fob and the single key right here. It just closes like so. We also have on the right hand side the ignition, so which turns into the reverse once you have it on and in neutral, which is a separate motor. Quite interesting. The thumbstick for the infotainment system and the back button for the infotainment system, of course. The front brake, if you're unfamiliar with bikes. We also have the, let's see, the Milwaukee-Eight engine and a 114 cubic inch size with heat shield. The Willie G has been put on the passenger floorboards as well. And last but not least, the beautiful addition of a cup holder on the passenger side. Let's get this pretty puppy started. Go ahead and subscribe and like. If you'd like to add any comments, please do so. Passing lights and dual Brembo brakes in the front. Get a really cool decal of the number 1. And again, this is Snake Venom green with the green, but it also transforms into purple in the sun at different levels. You may have seen in the video. And it's got 6,568 miles. Very beautiful sound performing from the Milwaukee-Eight motor here. Come on down, give this beautiful puppy a test ride for yourself today.